ABC lines have to be removed because the sway bar is going to sit in the same place that they occupy right now.
Alright.
And it's a simple 10mm plastic nut to remove each of the brackets. And right there is the fuel filter and the fuel pump, which is the reason that you can't use an S-Class bar on these cars, because the S-Class bar will hit both of those. That's why the SL uses a specific rear bar.
Awesome.
Okay, here you can see the rear cross member's been lowered down a bit, and we can get the rear sway bar in just by having this cross member lowered by about 6 inches. I'm going to start with the end of the sway bar going up and then back down towards the rear of the car. And as you can see there, that's how the rear sway bar fits. And it has those specific bends in it to get around the fuel pump and the fuel filter. You can see the fuel pump and the fuel filter right there. Alright, you can see the sway bar installed here. I went ahead and put the bolt in already, but it's very straightforward. Once you have the sway bar in this bracket here, comes out the other side. Go ahead and put the washer on and put the nut on. These are 19mm, and as you can see, there's plenty of room in here to get the sway bar in when you just lower the cross member down about 6 inches. Last thing with these rear control arms is the way the end link on the ride height sensor connects to the control arm. You need to use a needle nose. I've got a needle nose vice grip in here to grab the flats on that, and then just go ahead and take this little 10mm nut off, and there you go, the entire ride height sensor comes out.
Alright, so the rear sway bar is pretty self-explanatory. Simply a bolt on the opposite sides. And so it's going to go on the outside of your sway bar here, and in the inside, in between your spindle and heat shield.